Hi everyone, my name is Brittany Ketchum, and currently I'm employed as a social worker in a nursing home. I really enjoy working with the geriatric population and was really excited to see that one of our final projects in the class is to interview an older adult, since I have lots of opportunity to do so. I decided to go back to school for my master's at this point in my life because over the past few years I dealt with a lot of personal struggles, and overcoming those struggles has revealed a lot of strengths. And I feel at a more solid point in my life that I can actually focus on schoolwork. Additionally, I decided to go back to school because I live in a very rural area and I'm hitting a lot of career barriers for a lot of the jobs or fields of social work that I'm interested in. You have to be licensed as a clinical social worker in order to get anywhere. So I'm really excited to take this opportunity to advance my education, to focus on my career, and to eventually go into our field practice and explore the different realms of social work that I'm interested in. But first, I guess it's, a goal to make it through this class. I'm really excited and looking forward to interacting with everyone, and I hope you have a good night. Thank you.